kinds of volcanoes. There are the basaltic volcano and the andesitic volcano.
The basaltic one is the humble one, and the andesitic is the killer.
Our volcano should be an andesitic volcano. Volcanic soils are important in supporting farming and forestry.
Did you know that volcanoes help form the ocean? Also that Mount Ruapehu is New Zealand's biggest andesitic stratovolcano. Now for the eruption. Hey, Frodo? Yay, Sam, we're here. Let's destroy Mountain Frog.
Cast it into the fire, Mr. Frodo.
Okay.
So, as I was saying, as you know, the mantle pushes up magma and hot rock
To the volcano's edge, and it